What is Arduino? In this lecture, we will learn about the basic overview of Arduino. Upon completion of this lecture, learners will be able to understand about the main purpose of Arduino, understand about the 4 reasons why everybody should learn Arduino. So let's get it started. Arduino is open source hardware, software and content platform with a worldwide community of over 30 million users. Arduino is enabling everyone to enhance their lives through accessible electronics and digital technologies. Once there was a barrier between the electronics, designs and programming world and the rest of the world. Arduino has broken down that barrier. Arduino consists of both a physical programmable circuit board as a microcontroller and a piece of software or integrated development environment IDE that runs on your laptop or PC used to write and upload computer code to the physical programmable circuit board. Arduino mainly uses C and C++ as its programming language with some special rules of code. It is best to start with the Arduino IDE, which includes libraries for various hardware components such as light-emitting diode, LEDs and switches. You can tell your Arduino board what to do by sending a set of instructions to the microcontroller on the board by using the Arduino programming language and the Arduino IDE. Once you create a program which is known as a sketch and upload it to the Arduino board via a USB cable, here it can be run and it will remain in the memory until it is replaced. The Arduino family of controllers are able to read inputs, light on sensor, a finger on a button, fruit quality monitoring or a Twitter message and turn it into an output by activating a motor, turning on an LED and publishing something online. Arduino have 3 segments which work together as an ecosystem with a shared mindset among makers and that have evolved into education for students and professional solutions for homes, smart farming and Industry 4.0 applications. Arduino makers. Arduino makers using advanced sensors, cloud and mobile apps, artificial intelligence and machine learning solves everyday problems. For example, programming a securely connected Internet of Things devices or projects is just a few clicks away with the use of the Arduino Cloud, which allows everyone to create IoT projects with a user-friendly interface and an all-in-one solution for configuration, writing code, uploading and visualization. Arduino IoT Cloud Remote is very useful in the farming fields where you can read the data from your soil sensors or start your irrigation system directly from anywhere on the planet. In the factory where constant visibility of the state of your employees, visitors and manufacturing process status with the ability to control your automation remotely. In the home, you can simply monitor your home automation systems, check your previous or actual energy consumption from the convenience of your sofa. The Arduino team is working continuously with the technology leaders around the world to ensure their products are always cutting edge, aligned with the latest trends and grounded in the real world. Arduino education. With the culture of learning by making, Arduino technologies are now the part of cross-curriculum educational programs in the worldwide schools and universities in a fun and engaging manner. Arduino technology, programming and curriculum content are creative tools just like brushes and paint that students can use as they become part of the next generation of scientists and artists. Arduino classroom programs, which include kits, bundles and boards, are designed for remote individual learning, making hands-on STEAM education accessible even when the classroom is not there. STEAM is an integrated approach that incorporates the subjects of science, technology, engineering, arts and maths as a means of developing student inquiry, communication and critical thinking during learning. Arduino CEO Fabio Valente says that in near future, a series of new Arduino education programs will expand STEAM learning for lower secondary to university students. Arduino Pro. Arduino's mission has always been to give creators, makers and innovators the tools they need to turn their ideas into real projects. Arduino Pro is recently launched 2 new products in the Portenta range. Portenta X8 Portenta Max Carrier. Portenta X8. The revolutionary Portenta X8 module merges Arduino and Linux for the first time. Portenta X8 is a plug-and-play, industrial-grade system-on module that comes with Linux operating system preloaded on board, making for a hybrid combination of microprocessor and microcontroller with the capability for artificial intelligence and machine learning on the edge. Onboard Wi-Fi Bluetooth Low Energy connectivity allows users to carry out operating system application updates remotely, always keeping the Linux kernel environment at top performance levels. Portenta X8 is everything what we need to develop our most ambitious projects for Industry 4.0, smart agriculture, connected buildings and smart cities. Portenta Max Carrier. Portenta Max Carrier can combine with Portenta X8 and Portenta H7 to become a powerful industrial Linux computer for industrial applications. This can be programmed to monitor and manage a wide range of data through a multi-protocol gateway. Connecting to the cloud or enterprise resource planning ERP system via Wi-Fi, long-range radio, LoRa, narrowband Internet of Things or LTE Cat M1, or become the heart of a smart automatic guided vehicle AGV equipped with the sensors and intelligence to optimize logistics in the factory or warehouse. In shopping malls or stations, it can provide smart digital kiosks with the computing power, memory and various features they need, from card readers to microphones. And at home or in the office, it can simultaneously control heating, ventilation and air conditioning, HVAC systems, switch smart appliances on and off, autonomously adjust lighting and control accesses. Just add a human machine interface HMI display to keep everything under control. Arduino recognitions. In 2006, the Arduino project received an honorary mention in the digital communities category at Ars Electronica Linz, Austria. Since 1987, the Prix Ars Electronica Center is one of the best known cultural educational research platform which yearly prizes in the field of electronic and interactive art, computer, animation, digital culture and music. In 2020, the Arduino Engineering Kit won the BET Award for Higher Education or Further Education Digital Services. Now we will learn about 4 reasons why everybody should learn Arduino. Arduino is an enabling technology which makes electronics accessible to makers, students, teachers, hobbyists, artists, programmers and professionals to become familiar with electronics-based physical computing and computational thinking. First reason is the Arduino family of controllers are relatively inexpensive as compared to the other microcontroller platforms. The least inexpensive version of an Arduino module can be assembled by hand, and even the pre-assembled Arduino module's cost is less than $15. Second reason is open licenses for Arduino are the main driving forces behind its success. Schematics for the Arduino boards are published under a Creative Commons license, meaning that anyone is allowed to produce copies of the board, to redesign it, or even to sell boards that copy the design. You don't need to pay a license fees to the Arduino team or even ask for permission. However, if you republish the reference design, you have to credit the original Arduino group. And if you tweak or change the board, your new design must use the same or a similar Creative Commons license to ensure that new versions of the Arduino board will be equally free and open. So experienced circuit designers can make their own versions of the module, extend it and improve it as the requirements. Even relatively inexperienced users can build the breadboard version of the module in order to understand how it works and saves money. Arduino IDE is easy to use for beginners and flexible enough for advanced users. It runs on various types of operating systems, while mostly microcontroller systems are limited to Windows only. Arduino IDE is one of the most downloadable software in every 0.7 seconds in the world. Third reason is Arduino is a key tool to learn new things. Arduino learning solutions consist of 4 fundamental components, which together guarantee a smooth, relevant and engaging learning experience. The Arduino families of controllers have been the brains behind thousands of projects, from everyday objects to complex scientific instruments. A worldwide community comprising students, hobbyists, artists, programmers and professionals has gathered around this open source platform, their contributions adding up to an incredible amount of accessible knowledge. Teachers and students use it to build low-cost scientific instruments, to prove physics and chemistry principles, or to get started with programming and robotic applications. Designers and architects build interactive prototypes. Musicians and artists use it for installations and to experiment with new musical instruments. Fourth reason is, till date, the Arduino team is decentralizing the most advanced technologies and creating a new set of opportunities for creative people through various social media platforms. Finally, we would like to cooperate with you according to the best of our knowledge. Keep your feedback and suggestions coming. They help us to provide you quality work that resonates your needs and requirements. Thanks much for sharing your kind suggestions. Keep healthy, keep learning, keep growing.